In many installations, running wire between fire protection devices and the control panel is costly, disruptive, or simply impractical. Historic buildings, outdoor areas, parking lots, campus-style facilities, these and more are environments where traditional wiring becomes a significant challenge. Potter's SignaLink wireless supervisory system solves that problem by providing fully supervised wireless communication between any dry contact device and any fire alarm control panel. The SignaLink receiver is placed at the panel and provides a simple dry contact output, which means it's compatible with any brand of fire panel. There are no proprietary protocols or compatibility restrictions to navigate. The system operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which provides strong signal penetration through walls and other obstacles. Now at the initiating end, we have the SignaLink transmitter. It mounts directly to the conduit entrance of any dry contact device, such as supervisory switches, tamper switches, flow switches, and more. Or the transmitter leads can be extended up to 20 feet in conduit to allow for optimal placement. The transmitter supervises its connection to the monitor device using a supplied end-of-line resistor, and it transmits status changes wirelessly to the receiver. For installations that require extended range or where obstacles interfere with direct line of sight, you can add up to 3 of these repeaters to the system, providing up to 2,400 feet of additional range. Each repeater maintains full supervision and extends the effective communication distance. The receiver also features an SMA bulkhead connection, which allows you to attach an external antenna for installations with particularly challenging RF environments or extreme distance requirements. SignaLink provides communication of up to 800 feet between devices in clear line of sight. What makes this a dependable fire protection solution is the comprehensive supervision built into the system. The transmitter monitors its connection to the dry contact device, while the receiver monitors communication with the transmitter. If a battery voltage drops, if wiring becomes compromised, or if communication is interrupted, the fire panel receives an immediate trouble signal. The transmitter runs on 2 AA lithium batteries, good for approximately 1 year under normal use. When battery capacity drops to about 7 days remaining, the receiver provides a low battery alert. The receiver also has individual LED indicators for power, alarm, supervisory, tamper, communication errors, and end-of-line faults. Troubleshooting is super straightforward. From a compliance standpoint, the system is UL 864 and ULC S527 listed and approved for NFPA 13, 13D, 13R, and 72. The enclosures are NEMA 4 IP66 rated, suitable for indoor and outdoor installations from -40 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is easy and uses a wireless setup tool which allows you to check signal strength between devices, pair components, scan for channel interference, and identify potential issues before finalizing placement. Whether you're working on a retrofit project, monitoring a remote valve, installing temporary protection during construction, or dealing with any installation where conventional wiring isn't practical, SignaLink provides a code-compliant solution without compromising reliability. The system eliminates the cost and complexity of wire installation while maintaining the supervision that fire protection systems require, all while working on any dry contact device, like this. For more information and for complete technical documentation, reach out or visit pottersignal.com.